Hello guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina, and today we're gonna create this colorful messy updo with a small detail, and I hope you'll like it. This infinity braid looks amazing when you add some color to it. I used a clippy synthetic orange ombre hair extension, but you can use some hair chalk to color a strand of your hair to make your updo even more interesting. So if you wanna know how to recreate it, let's get started.
So we'll select our top section and I'll leave some hair out as always, and we'll tie a ponytail like I'm showing, and we'll loosen it, of course. Now I'll use my synthetic extension, but here you can take a small section of hair from the ponytail, but you can use a hair extension as well, or you can color it, or you can color your hair strand. I'll divide the ponytail into two first, and then grabbing this synthetic hair, you want to wrap it under first section and over second one. Then you want to add more hair to this synthetic strand. Wrap it under first section of the ponytail and over second one. And again, when reaching opposite side, add more hair to this strand, wrap it under and over, and then again add hair. So you want to continue these steps until reaching our ears level. And then you want to continue these steps one more time without adding hair, and tie it using a clear elastic. Then I'll grab the first elastic and I'll take it off because I don't like this look. Then, using a clip-in extension, I'll make a low ponytail. Then we will open the ponytail and bring the hair through it like I'm showing. We'll loosen it a bit. Then grabbing the rest, we'll open again our elastic and bring our hair through it. We'll loosen and pin it well in place so there are no gaps showing. Also, I'll hide the ends inside of created bun. Use some hairspray, loosen if you need, and you're basically done.
If you enjoyed this messy updo, please don't forget about thumbs up. Also, can you make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Also guys, tell me please in comments what hairstyles you'd like me more to share here. I love you so much and hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!